How to update your name servers at DreamHost. This demo assumes you have a domain name registered through DreamHost and starts from their homepage. Now let's learn how to update our domain name's nameserver settings. Click the Login button in the upper right corner of the homepage. Log in with your email address and password. Click the Domains link on the left of your dashboard. Then click Manage Domains. Click the DNS link under the domain name you wish to manage. Enter your new name servers here, then click Set these name servers. That's it! The domain name's name servers have been updated. Please note that it could take up to 24 hours for your new name servers to propagate and be recognized across the Internet. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to update your domain name's name server settings at DreamHost.